Let's get ready to jumble! Jumble between TMF and Tensi.
Dili ka na lang, kung uyog na all. Dili ka na lang. Very good.
Okay, ready to jumble? Sports na ka na, sports. Sports game.
Sulit din line up starter.
Okay.
Sulit jadi. Bago perde, bago kami perde. Bago kami perde.
Okay, good luck both teams. Jumble. Okay, rep, jumble na rep. Okay, Rama stop. Up. It's a double. Okay, Netes. Pass to Yap to Netes. Netes to Guardape. Pass to Ramos. Ramos under goal. Wala. Follow up. Oh, scramble. Ramos again. Oy, my foul against number 8. Number 8. Yap. Dribble ball. Pass to Guardape. Guardape. Up to Netes for 2. Wala. Rebound. Scramble. Uy. Uy. Pak. Wala. Rebound may Ramos. Grabe yung rebound na yun. Pass to Yap. Yap. Other goal. Wala Japon. Follow up. Yes. 2 points by number 9. Okay. Number 16. Dribble ball. Fortuna. The point guard. Pass to Lusada. Under goal. Lusada. Lusada for 2. Wala. To number 8. Uy. Wala. Rebound by Guardape. Pass by play. Outside. Lusada. Pass to by Loses for 3. Wala, airball. Rebound by number 9, dribble ball. Nagmamadali si number 9 all the way. It's a troubling violation against number 9. Number 16, dribble ball. Pass replay. Lusada, Lusada. Dumiretso, may foul. Counted. Foul against number 9. Your first personal foul. Okay, bonus throw by Lusada. Yes, 3 points play by Lusada. Guardape, dribble ball. Guardape. Pass to Yap, dribble ball. To Guardape. Yeah, 14 shot clock, may foul. Foul against number 13, Lusada. Your first personal foul. Yeah, first attempt. Wala. Second. Wala, rebound. Rebound. Fortuna. Fortuna, dribble ball. Over steal. Still by Netes, dribble ball. Netes all the way. Wala. Rebound by Lusada. Pass to Fortuna. To the Yumat. Oy, wala. The Yumat. By traveling violation against the Yuma. You are troubling.
Din.
Ramos first attempt. Yes, 1 point.
Oh.
Second throw. Yes, 2 points late.
Ay, takot ko na yung ano na eh. Okay na na eh. Ano? To go. Okay.
Bailoses. Pass to number 8. To Dayumat. Dayumat to Bailoses. Fade away shot. Para block by Ramos. Di pa may Dayumat. Dayumat under goal. Wala. Rebound by Bailoses again. Again. Bailoses for 2. Oh! Lumalaw. Di pa may Ramos. Ramos pass to Guadabe. Guadabe number 1. Pass to Yap. Easy shot. Wala. Rebound. By Fortuna. Fortuna. Dribble the ball. Fortuna. Whoop. Nag-dribble. Nag-relax. Kalma lang. 14 shot lock. Fortuna nakatempo 3. Wala. Rebound. Guadabe. Fast break play to Yap. Easy layup. Yes. 2 points. By Yap. Fortuna, pass to Lusara, fakes, Lusara, wala, oh! It's a foul against, outside, out of bounds, Bailoses, pass to Fortuna, pass to number 8 for 2, uy, wala, rebound, oh! Rebound by Ramos, to number 9, dribble ball, nagmamadali, number 9, for 3. Bang! Time out. Team C. Ang score. Score. Continue. Ito na score. Ang score 11-3 in favor of sino ba siya? Team F.
Bilat sa may condition ko to ba?
Ang score 11-3 in favor of Team F. Team F. Okay, back to the good ball game. Ang time. Oh, Lusada. Uy, intercept by number 9, dribble ball. Number 9, the point guard. Uy! Fade away shot. Ano yun? Wala. It's a crocodile time. Nites rebound. Pass number 9 again attempt. Number 9. Wala. Aragay. Losa. Hindi na ako sa Lusada. Hindi na ako. Number 9, pass to Nietes, to Ramos. Namersa. What a block by Dayumat. To Guadabe, relax. To Yap, up. To number 9, fakes. To Guadabe for 3. Wala. Pass to Nietes. Out. Pass break play to Fortuna. Easy layup, my foul. Ball against Guadabe.
Time. Time.
1 minute and 58.
Time 1 minute and 58 seconds. First attempt by Fortuna, yes, 1 point. Second throw. Yes, 2 points play. Ramos, pass to Guadabe. Pass break play to Nietes. To number 9 for 3. Bang! Lockout. Rebound by number 16. Number 16, Fortuna. Pass to Lusada. Uy! Nice steal by Ramos to Yap. Uy! Time out! Team F.
126.
Ang time, 1 minute and 26 seconds.
Ay, sunod kami itong speaker.
Time, 1 minute and 26 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Ramos on the board, pero wala. Di pa may Fortuna, the ball. Pass for Lusada, under goal, Lusada. Favorite shot, 2 points by Lusada.
Yung mga tirada yan. Waya hangin.
Nietes, dribble ball. Pass to Guardabe. To Nietes. 14 shot lang. Yeah. Wipe out. Counted. Ball against Milos is number 7. Bonus throw by Yao. Bonus throw. Yes, 3 points play. Number 16. Pass to Dayumat.
20.
Pero wala. Lusada under goal. Grabe naman siya si Lusada. So, number 9, the blue. Foul. Against number 16.
12 segundos.
12 seconds. Penalty. Right penalty.
12 segundos.
12 seconds. 12. Yes, 1 point. Lastro. Yes, 2 points play. 5.
Dili semua laban yung tagsikan. Ha? Uy, Tony. Aku gibo yo. Ada kan? Okay. Sudah gamit ang speaker ari naman.
Quarter ini lah. Iya. 15 ano? 4 pabis nga lang yung lumang kayo. Subong tong kailan? Ang atong tingong din may.
Lisay, close out.
Make. Ano sa make sa microphone mi, macam ni kami, macam ni misa.
Guys, inay natin sa tingog ta guys, kay may misa da guys.
Ang atong tingog ni Misa. Kami